Well, HISD has filed a lawsuit against the state attorney general's office in an attempt to keep public information from our 13 Investigates team. We requested emails between the top-ranking HISD employees and the district's external public relations firm.
Emails that they are now going to great lengths to keep private. 13 Investigates' Micah Hatfield here now to break down what led us to this point. Micah.
Well, Gina and Eric, think about all of the emails that you've sent at work, scheduling meetings, sharing ideas, even maybe a joke here and there. If it came down to someone wanting to read all of your emails you sent in a month's time to a certain person, how far would you go to keep them private? With HISD, we got the answer: a lawsuit against the state attorney general.
The whole idea of a democracy in which the citizens can participate depends on knowing what your government is doing.
And that's what we were trying to do. Find out what top HISD leaders were discussing with their outside public relations firm, Bryson Gillette. 13 Investigates has been formally requesting information about the district's relationship with the agency for months and haven't gotten any answers. So this was our next move. Here's how it went down. On May 8th, 13 Investigates emailed a request to HISD for about a month's worth of emails between the PR firm and 4 HISD employees. Rather than release them, an attorney for the district told us they were going to ask the Attorney General's office whether they had to or not, which is within their right. In a letter to the AG's office, HISD cited a few reasons they should not have to, including attorney-client privilege.
With such a scattershot of communications like that they're all, every single one of them, attorney-client privilege, that doesn't pass the smell test.
Local First Amendment attorney Joseph Larson says attorney-client privilege is between an attorney and a client, and the PR firm is neither. That's what the Attorney General said too, and told HISD nearly everything we requested had to be released.
So if the Attorney General rules against the governmental body, in most cases they're right, because it's almost exceptional that they do rule against the governmental body.
In most instances we've come across, that's the end of it. We get what we requested, but not this time. HISD wrote a letter to the AG's office asking them to reconsider, which is not legal, and then filed a lawsuit.
So they're going to have to go to great lengths and spend taxpayer money to keep whatever this is away from us.
Yes, it's significant. In my book, $20,000, which would be easy to spend on something like this.
To be clear, this is a lawsuit against the Attorney General's office, not ABC 13. In it, HISD claims the Attorney General made an error. We found only 6 total lawsuits filed by HISD against the Attorney General's office in the last 10 years, and that's including ours. We don't know if they're all related to open records requests, but that shows you how infrequently the district is filing these suits. We're left wondering, is there something to hide? Larson has been party to many of these cases over the years and wonders the same.
It seems like the point of it may be to simply obscure what's going on and to make it more difficult for the Houston public to know what HISD is really up to.
Larson tells us that even when the case is a slam dunk, they will take years to resolve. ABC 13 is actively monitoring the status of the case, and we will see it through. We asked HISD for comment, and they declined, saying they don't comment on pending litigation. The PR firm and outside counsel that filed the lawsuit for HISD have not responded to our questions. Live in the studio, Micah Hatfield, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.